I have so much to tell you. We're well beyond this point, but let me give you something to catch you up. This is the view from across the street, and when we left off last time, stucco was just being applied. It's now completely done and painted. My husband had HVAC completed and electrical done, and the plumbers are now back for their next part. So it's time for me to start picking out all of the materials to actually make my interior design come to fruition. I've been ordering things that have slowly been coming in, but now it's time for the big items, and that can sometimes change depending on how the jobs go. So I usually wait a little bit to pick out the major things like granite countertops and paint colors, things like that. My husband wanted an L-shaped fireplace where one side is open.
No, it's a straight, it's a square. That's not the which one you showed me.
Our electrician came over to help him try to figure out if this is the right one that we needed. I thought it was, so I let them kind of figure things out for a minute, and then when they left, I took matters into my own hands. When I moved the cardboard, I could actually see some little screws that seemed too flimsy to be permanent, and that's exactly what it was. It was a temporary piece on either side that you could remove to expose just a glass encasing instead of the black metal.
Great. Yes, sir.
So I called them back in, and they were able to figure everything else out.
You gotta pick which side. Which side are you doing it? This one?
Left? No. That way.
Oh, yeah.
They put it in the space to make sure that it would be fitted seamlessly. We needed some trim pieces around it, and they were able to work it all out.
Cut this out and I'll take that part off. Then we put the glass like that, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. It might slap.
The glass is right here. Look.
Yeah,
It's already. Oh,
yeah.
you're right.
So when you take it off.
Yeah, when we take it off this part,
Oh, I
because
see.
the another glass goes straight right here. It's sit right here.
It's gonna be easy.
So you just need that front piece.
Yep.
Yeah.
Ah, look at that. Listen.
That one, you see the another one will be hanging right here.
Come on, you're the best
Yes,
guy.
yes. So they'll put that up for now until it's time to actually install it.
Okay.
Hello. Yes, it is. How can I help you?
I'm gonna start. You gonna finish this house?
Okay. That sounds great. Thank you so much. We're looking for quartz in the quartz shop, and I want to get something a little different in the quartz shop. I like the front a little bit better. That's different, but it's too busy.
Really?
Yeah.
It's gonna be-
those honeycombs.
Okay. What about this? Too dark?
Way too dark.
All right. Oh, too small for me. I like the big bang. Oh yeah, I got both.
I really like that. Just because the floors are a little bit tan color, and then we have the bar. Oh, I was telling you. Yeah, Chrissy, what do you think?
So you think this is for the vision?
See, I have a vision, but a lot of times we have to shop around for good pricing on things, and so I have to make my vision come to life.
But that will work because it got the tan.
Alright, so is this everything that they have? So this is like this. This is really pretty.
Yeah.
I really like this one. I mean, out of just this is
Okay.
my favorite, for sure.
Take one.
Yeah, 'cause
And we got the floor in the back of my truck. We can look at that with the floor.
what's the other one?
Oh, just the tan.
Oh, there was another one that you liked. The honeycomb one?
No, I wasn't a honeycomb. Baby gives me good ideas. I want to do for this. Plus, I spent a lot of time getting approved for a bill.
We'll have some of these old, yucky looking ones. Ugh. No, we need to look at the, these are just atrocious. We need to look.
Just the palate taste.
I know. We need to look at like the marble ones. See, babe, this is so my style. You see the emerald green?
Huh? That green?
Yes, I love that green. Here we're trying to look for a tile for the kitchen backsplash and all of the bathrooms in the house. It was not easy. I don't know why there's such horrible looking tile lately. No, that's too similar. I'm loving this for either backsplash or shower. I love this. Or even this. Today is a sheetrock day. They're moving so fast on this and it's so great. But today they're putting in sheetrock, so here's a few clips to show you what that looks like. I was gonna tell you I have one. And then I put one in that box too. Here I'm just checking out the paint swatches that they tested out on the side of the house. Those were the colors that I picked and they look great. So we'll go with those.